Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge, however. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best heat press machine for t-shirt from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vivar 12X 15-inch heat press machine 5-in-1. Vivar is popular in the heat press industry, offering a diverse range of products with different styles and sizes, each having unique functions. The Vivar 5-in-1 heat press machine is one of the most versatile heat press machines in its range of products. So, if you're looking for a swing-away professional size, multifunctional heat press machine at an affordable price, then the Vivar 5-in-1 might be perfect for you. This upgraded Vivar heat press machine has a polished appearance, comes completely assembled, and performs efficiently. It has a simple digital display with a piece counting function with buttons for your convenience. The necessary multifunctional accessories come with the machine to ensure you have the most beautiful graphics on t-shirts, hats, plates, cups, mugs, and caps. It comes with the modern double-tube heating technology and 4-layer insulation technology to improve the transfer performance on your items. And if you accidentally touch the surface of the heat press, it will not burn your hands. Positive side of this product: great value and versatile 5-in-1 heat press. Double-tube heating creates better transfer quality. High safety performance and comes pre-assembled. Number 2. 5-in-1 heat press machine. Bettersub 5-in-1 heat press machine is a combo press for shirt, caps, cone-size mugs and plates. This inexpensive 5-in-1 heat press for occasional use is a versatile sublimation machine that is perfect for beginners and avid eaters alike. Its exclusive swing-away design lets you rotate the shirt press 360 degrees for convenience, allowing you to lay out your items accurately and avoid burning your hands by turning the heat plate away from you. The multifunctional heat press comes with an adjustable pressure knob for adjusting the pressure of heat transfer on different fabrics. The LCD board shows the temperature and time clearly, allowing you to have full digital control over time and temperature. The machine is built robustly and can endure extended use. You can use this cheap heat press machine continuously for 8 hours daily, or almost 5,840 hours. This makes it suitable for family entertainment and small businesses. Also, you can press t-shirts, caps, ceramic, lettering, plates, ceramic tiles, mugs, coasters, massapeds, jigsaw puzzles, and assorted fabrics and materials. The 5-in-1 heat press machine comes with all the accessories to press hats, mugs, and 2 different size plates. Positive side of this product: fewer risks of burns. The non-stick surface prevents scorching. Affordable press for mugs, shirts, hats, and other small items. Digital temperature and pressure control. Number 3. Fancier Studio Power Heat Press Digital Heat Press. This new model digital heat press by Fancier Studio is an industrial quality digital heat press better than the former model. And due to its performance and affordability, it is safe to call it the best t-shirt press machine for the money as of now. The machine features an industrial-grade component that makes it durable enough to withstand continuous use and ready to tackle any project you throw at it. Positive side of this product: smooth heat transfer, durable industrial-grade material, temperature and heat control. Number 4. Planiflame Mug Heat Press Machine. If you're looking for the best heat press machine for mugs, look no further than the Planiflame Mug Heat Press. Why we make this bold claim is because of the numerous features that we will talk about shortly. First, it is simple to use and shipped to you fully assembled and ready to use out of the box. It is built sturdily with industrial-grade material, which makes it withstand any job you throw at it. The machine can heat print custom designs onto mugs, cups, and bottles without failing. This mug cup heat press machine has integrated sublimation printing capability that makes it one of the best tools for transferring designs on your mugs and coffee cups without errors. This machine's heat plate guarantees smooth and even temperature for your items due to its unique design. Positive side of this product: strong build quality. Comes fully assembled and ready to use. Excellent price. Number 5. Uskedar Digital Heat Press Machine. Uskedar is a reputed and trusted brand that produces long-lasting and functional craft machines. This 153x153 digital heat press machine from Uskedar meets the company's strict design quality like all its other products. The machine features a clamshell design that saves you working space compared to the standard swing arm type. It is made from industrial-grade materials and comes with some easy-to-use features that make it one of the best heat press machines for t-shirts. It is also versatile and can apply designs to any flat surface, including fabric, metal, wood, ceramic, and glass. Positive side of this product: ready to use out of the box. Easy to use. Solidly built with industrial-grade materials. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.